What's up, you guys? Tutorials for Techies here, and today I'm going to teach you how to create a petition or an online form in Dreamweaver CS5. After you complete this form, this is what it'll look like. Right now I'm just scrolling up and down and just showing you the basics of just what the form will look like when you're done. You have sports, you have personality, you have many things like that. And as you can see in personality, you have different radio buttons that you can do. Just to show you that this is real, you can just go into live view in Dreamweaver, and then you can see that you're able to push all the buttons and age, gender, sports, or whatever. So if you're submitting this form, then people would know your basic things about you. So you just want to open a new Dreamweaver file, just regular HTML, and now you want to go back to the other form, so you can just get ideas of what you want to really write in your new form. And so in this new form, you just want to enter the new table. So go to insert table, and let's just make it 4 rows, and let's make it 1 column. And so now you can see that we have a simple 1 column and 4 rows table. And so right now I'm just going back to see what I need to do first. Alright, so what we're first going to do is go to age, and then we're going to go to the insert tab, or not tab, but we're going to go to the insert section, scroll down, go to radio group, and now you just want to change all the labels and values to what you want it to be. And let's do the gender now. And so you just want to type gender, colon, and as well do another radio group. And now you want to go to the label drop down menu, and you want to type in male, female, and in this you wouldn't do other, obviously, because that would be weird. And now we're going to do sports. So you just type in sports, colon, and then same thing, insert radio group. And once you do the first, then you just get used to it as you go on to the other rows. It just becomes a habit, really. You just keep repeating what you're already doing. So just type in as many sports as you think. This is just an example as well, so just type in what you want. And if this tutorial sounds different, it's because I recorded this with ScreenFlow, and I didn't talk while I was recording. I'm doing the voiceover right now in Final Cut Express, so that's why it may sound a little like I'm trying to prolong the situations and stuff. And so after you try to do as many sports as you want, you go down, and now you want to insert a text area. So with this text area, there's many sports, and so maybe you just want people to just get if they play different sports that nobody has really heard of, then you could do that. Alright, so now we're going to do personality. As I was saying, as this title says, this is more for eHarmony or Match.com, so you can see what the person likes and what they dislike and all that fancy stuff. So now you want to do radio group as well. Just add a bunch of labels and values, and now you just type in all of the personalities you can think of. It's just a real process, you guys. So it shouldn't take you long. And if you're doing this professionally for a website, then you're gonna want to change stuff around, make it more neat, and maybe make everything center and not to the left, or it's whatever you want. And as well, you can get the HTML code by going to the code tab next to the closeout panel, and if you press code, then you could do Command A on your Mac, and or Control A on the PC, and then copy and paste it as an HTML file in iWeb. So now you can preview all this in Safari, and before you do it, you have to save it as whatever you want to save it. And now if you preview in Safari, you can see that everything is there that you just made, so it looks all good from now. And so now you can just close out, and I'll stop this recording.